Hi, I'm Lori Hauser, the Director of Imagination Station. I hope you and your family are safe and healthy. On behalf of my team and our board, we miss seeing our members every day at the Science Center and look forward to being able to open and invite you back in soon. Currently, the Science Center is closed to help stop the spread of COVID-19, but there are so many ways you can experience science education and Imagination Station through our website, our social media, and this video. I hope you enjoy the activities. I wish you all a safe and happy holiday. Thank you so much for your support, and here's to a wonderful 2021.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Carter, Early Education Coordinator here at Imagination Station, to wish you happy holidays. Our doors may be temporarily closed, but that doesn't stop us from doing some science. We've put together some of our favorite wintertime science activities just for you. Did you know that winter is a great time to go for a nature walk? That's right. There are many details hidden in the spring and summer that become visible and fascinating in the cold of winter. What makes a walk a nature walk? Well, try looking to see what types of animals you can see in the winter. What birds do you see, and what birds are missing? Do the squirrels look the same as they did in the summer, or do they look a little different? If you're going for a walk around your own backyard or neighborhood, you could even stop to collect some fallen leaves, pine cones, little pine needles, or even tree bark that you might find laying on the ground. Bring it home and we have some fun science activities to do with those things, like making a pine cone bird feeder. For this activity, you will need a pine cone, some peanut butter, or if you have a peanut allergy or nut allergy, you can also use cornmeal and shortening. You'll also need a tool to scoop and spread your peanut butter. I have a craft stick, but you can use a craft stick or a butter knife. You'll also need some string, preferably a natural cotton or something else that would be safe for the animals, a pair of scissors, and last but not least, some bird seed. To start, you'll want a plate or other dish that you can make a mess on, and your pine cone and peanut butter. Get a big scoop of peanut butter. You're gonna spread it on your pine cone, nice and thick, trying to fill up all of the gaps in the openings of the scales. Not all pine cones have open scales like this. During inclement weather that's cold or wet, pine cones can actually close their scales to protect the seeds inside. And another fun fact, pine cones can actually stay on a pine tree for up to 10 years. Once your pine cone is nice and coated in peanut butter, we're gonna move our paper plate out of the way and bring in our dish of seeds. Now all you have to do is dip your pine cone in and give it a roll. You should see all of the seeds sticking to all of that peanut butter you spread on your pine cone. Now all we have left to do is to add a string so we can tie it up and leave it where the birds can eat it. There you have it, a pine cone bird feeder. Now that you've made your beautiful pine cone bird feeder, you might be left wondering, what do I do with all the rest of my leaves and pine cones that I have left? Well, with a little bit of air dry clay, we can make our own imaginary creature using all of these materials. For this, you'll need a lump of clay, some pine cone, and any other leaves, tree bark, or other natural materials that you've gathered on your nature walk. To start, you're gonna roll your clay into any shape you want. I want mine to remind me kind of like a stegosaurus. Now you can use your natural materials any way you want to create the creature that you're imagining. I think mine's gonna have a nice pine cone tail like this. And then we're gonna have some nice big plates. I think it might even have some pine needle whiskers if I pull these apart. And I'm going to use some of the pieces, the scales from my pine cone, to create some little eyes. Just 1, 2. Little eyes like that. And there you have it, a fun little pine cone or natural materials creature. You can make yours however you would imagine. If you're looking for more fun science activities you can do at home, head to our website, imaginationstationtoledo.org. Have a happy and safe holiday season.